This is the initial stage that was followed by every hacker before attacking the target. It is very essential for a hacker to collect as much information as possible about his target for launching an attack. This phase is technically termed as reconnaissance in the field of hacking. There are two types under this reconnaissance, as active and passive reconnaissance. In active reconnaissance, the hacker collects the information about his target directly. For example, telephone calls to the help desk or technical departments, which also known as social engineering. In passive reconnaissance, a hacker collects information without a direct interaction with the target. Information gathering is probably the longest part. Sometimes it may take weeks and even some months for collecting the information. A black hat hacker uses a variety of sources to gather such information about the targeted network. For example, collecting the information which is publicly available in the internet, as in social media websites like Facebook and in other websites, or even from the email which is sent by the target. Let me show you some of the example for collecting informations. For example, if you want to know the financial detail of the company, just visit www.finance and enter the name of the company you want. Let's take it as Google. It's constantly been increasing. So this is the financial detail of Google. Let's take Facebook. You can also get these financial details by visiting finance.yahoo.com and enter the company you want. So these are the method for collecting the financial information about a company. If you want to know the personal information, you can visit the Facebook profile or some social media platforms, like what is their personal email ID, date of birth, field of interest, etc. If you want to track a person from their unknown cell number or to verify whether it is a real number, you can visit this truecaller.com. And enter the number you want. So this is me. You can enter any number or any unknown cell number to verify whether it is the real user or some fake numbers. For collecting a history of a website, you can visit .archive.org and enter the web address here. So this is the website history of Google from 1998 to till date, that is 2015. Let's have a look at Google at 1998. These are the snapshots at Google. So this is how Google looks like in 1998. So these are the some of the ways from where a hacker collect informations about his target. This is often is the most difficult task for a hacker. A hacker spends about 90% of the time in collecting the information about his target, and only 10% for collecting the for launching the attack. So let's move on to the next stage. Thank you.